Hey everybody, this is Joe from Tiny Camper Company and Adventure Outpost. You're going to premiere today a brand new 5x8 Kong off-road sitting on a 3,500 pound Timbren HD axle going all the way to Washington State. What's great about this camper is it's super affordable, it's very versatile, but more importantly, it's got everything you need. 2 doors with windows, a back galley. The customer did not choose to have any air conditioning options. 2 half-man air vents for airflow. It's got a double wheel jack on the front. It's got a really cool front fridge box for a really nice Iceco fridge. Let's check it out and camp on. What's great about this product is it's made with no wood. This product itself is made out of all composite. People ask what type of composite is it? It's called a foam core resin, meaning the inside of this composite is structurally hard. It's not like styrofoam or anything like that. The roof and the insulation roof is made out of a polycore system. Polycore basically is aluminum, but then inside the actual roof, we insulate everything for the AC to work better. This trailer itself has got recovery from the front to the back. It's best used with a lock and roll. You could use a max coupler, or what's been new out there is a arc off-road hitch, which is pretty cool because it can go on any 2-inch ball. What's also great about this camper itself, the whole trailer frame is made out of 11 gauge steel. The center beam that goes from front to back for recovery is made out of 3/16 steel. So we changed that up this year for 2026 to give you more of that reinforcement, as well as inside you see a lot of that diamond flooring. That diamond flooring is basically a new product that we use. The vinyl hard engineered flooring we used to use, it would scratch, it would get really dirty. This is easy to clean up. So we're still making some changes for 2026, like our brand new roof rack system that we are using an 80/20 system. As we are basically getting better and better and better with the products, we got to start making more and more changes. So the great thing about us is we're open to suggestions. Not one camper you'll see that goes out in 2026 will be the same, because we're making more and more and more improvements. We're getting past that mass manufacturing side and more to that customizing side, where I could actually take lead from being inside the office to more inside to the shop, where I get to control the quality assurance. Where before we were letting outsourced companies wire up our electric brakes, wire up our trailers, we're now doing everything in-house, as well as the trailer frames, as well as the painting, as well as parts and assembly. Now, the one thing that we have had challenges for has been our doors. A lot of people don't understand there's only one company that makes doors. There's more companies coming out. So we're going to keep trying more doors to find the better product for everybody here. So I wanted to thank you guys. If you have any questions, shoot us an email at tinycampercompany@gmail.com, or if you get on our website at www.tinycampercompany.com. Follow us on Instagram, YouTube, or even Facebook. Camp on, everybody. Much love.